Here are 5 impactful books for self-development. 1. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey teaches principles for personal and professional effectiveness. 2. Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor E. Frankl explores finding purpose in life. 3. Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman delves into decision-making processes. 4. The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle focuses on mindfulness and inner peace. 5. Atomic Habits by James Clear offers practical strategies for building positive habits. These books provide valuable insights for personal growth and self-improvement.